What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. This week has been super busy, so I haven't been able to vlog at all. But this weekend is gonna be crazier, so I'm looking forward to that. A lot of things happening. You have to just wait and see. I don't want to spoil anything. But right now, I'm gonna go get a haircut and to be ready for the weekend. Oh wait, it's Andy. All right, change of plans right now. I'm picking up the boys. So Donald Trump, take him home to the place he belongs. Love you, bro. All right, it's recording now.
What's going on, y'all? Have a good day.
Yes, sir. You want to drive? DC in the house.
You already know it.
Let's go. Hey. Anything you want to say, Dean?
Man, live your best and be best to live.
Yes, sir.
Whatever that means.
Whatever that means. I don't understand, but I'm sure it's something. Deep.
Are you the same beast or a different animal?
Oh my goodness.
Only time will tell.
Oh.
Are you a reptile or a mammal?
Okay, you can shut up. Yeah, man. Rocky, I don't care what they say about you, man. They say some horrible things. I laugh at them sometimes. Deep down in my heart, I know that you on my team. You know why they call him Rocky?
Why?
Because no homo, he goes hard.
Today's your birthday?
Today's my birthday.
Nah, you lying.
Yeah, I was born today.
You playing, bro?
A day like today, but on
Is it his birthday?
the year 1995. A year like today.
Dang, I'm sorry, bro. I should have known. Hey, happy birthday, bro. Hey, that's your birthday gift. You driving my car.
Yeah, I'm gonna drift.
Ryan, you want to take over, bro?
Okay. I should have said something like raw for.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Restaurant.
Future doctor's okay.
Oh, hello there. Allow me to intro. Oh, okay.
Alright. What was that?
I don't know.
Is that the weather?
Don't.
The weather driving a, what is that? A Toyota something?
A Camry.
Black car.
Toyota Camry? Hey, bro, here.
You like that little drift?
Alright, so where we're going right now is to the dry cleaner. I'm gonna pick up my pants.
This man is taking.
And then
This man said, let's go get a haircut. We're going all the way to Fort Worth to the dry cleaner.
Before, like,
We're in
when you
Fort
play
Worth?
games, there's main missions and there's side missions, right?
I skipped the side mission.
Right,
Yeah,
I know. Right now we're doing
I
the
got
side
it started out, okay?
I try to get the story.
I only do the side if I'm enjoying it.
We're doing
right
the side
now.
missions right now. We're gonna go pick up my pants, and then we go drop off my
So
laundry,
we're going to Yap.
and then we get some
Your
food,
parents.
Driving the
and then we go build a church, wash the dishes, and then we'll go get a haircut. All right, that's the plan. Okay.
Okay guys, so Rocky's in the Taylor's right now. We're stealing his car from my mom. We're gonna park over here as other cars blend in.
Go behind the building.
You're gonna go behind the Dodge like Andres.
I'll see you maybe next month for the next wedding. I don't know where my car went. Yeah, okay, you're funny. Alright, I'll see you later. Really? Where's my car?
Bro, some guy came. Come on, bro. Some guy came out of nowhere and said that he knew you and he wanted us to.
Where's my car?
I don't know.
Yeah, you recorded the whole thing. Where's my car?
Dude, we just happened to be recording. Here, let's pray on it.
Just the wrong place.
Stop! I need to go.
Let's pray
no,
on it.
serious. I need to go. Where's the car?
Prayers always, guys.
Where's the car?
Call it.
How am I gonna call my car?
Call it by the name.
Call
You
it.
don't have a name. Mine's called Old Betty Squids.
What do you mean?
My car's name is Old Betty Squids. Call it.
Well, you have my key. How is the car gonna go if you have my key, stupid? How are you trying to hide my car and then have the key in your hand, stupid?
Because we got out from it and a guy jacked it.
You're lucky we were here.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. That was a nice one. Maybe you guys make your own YouTube channel and prank other people. This is mine, huh? You wanna mess with me?
We will take you out
You
of
wanna mess with me?
We don't want to take you out of business like that. It's so dumb.
You only got 100 followers. You don't want to.
When love comes in.
It's actually his birthday, and we set all this up for him.
Don't touch me.
He said okay. Okay.
Here, we knew you liked rose gold.
Alright, well, we gotta go. So
Thank you for the birthday party, guys.
I'm gonna go get my haircut. He needs to go get his haircut. What else?
Oh, she gave me this dog as a birthday present.
For real? Take it. Take it.
Hey, what?
The dog as a birthday present.
Oh.
Sure.
Y'all, finally got my haircut. Man, it was packed in there. I stayed for like almost 3 hours waiting for my turn, but I'm headed back to the dorm. I'm gonna shower, and then I'll meet up with Taylor, and then we'll go for Vespers. Sunset though, oh my goodness. We're here at church, so we'll check in after. Bye. Say bye.
North to the south, from the north to the south, from the north to the south.
She's laughing at me because
We were just talking for like 3 minutes thinking that we were vlogging, but he didn't press the button.
So we just got out of Vespers. The music was great. My boy Josh sang special music.
That actually was really good.
Ooh, it touched my soul. I'm gonna have to link his account down below so y'all can show some love and check it out.
Why are you sounding
Anyway,
weird?
I try to sound like a normal YouTuber. Like, well, you know what they say, like I'm gonna link the stuff, you know, down in the description box or something like that,
No, but you're like, ooh, show some love. And blah, blah, blah.
She's so weird. So this weekend is gonna be fun. Today is Friday, just beginning of the weekend. Super excited.
Yep. I'm really excited.
Anyway, it's gonna be super fun. Gonna have a great time, right?
Yeah.
So y'all have to subscribe and wait for the next video. The next vlog is gonna be coming. It's gonna be for
This weekend.
this week. So bye. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. 1, 2,
Like bye?
3, go.
On
Bye.
3 or after
1, 2, 3, go.
Bye.
Bye.